Hello everyone, in the previous episode I showed you how to convert a time variable into an integer variable by using the conversion function block in master2. And in today's video, I'll show you the other way around. So first let's start by going to the toolbox under other operators, then select and drag our conversion function block into a new network. Now let's rename it to int underline to time. Then right click the output, select insert assignment, and now let's assign our variables. So let's say integer input and time output. Don't forget to change the type of the variable or make sure it's set correctly. Then press OK. Now finally, let's test it. Now, if I write to our variable integer input, let's say for example the value 20, the function block will then convert this integer to its counterpart as milliseconds in the time variable. And let's say if I want 2 seconds, I write 2000 and write it to our variable. And that's how you convert an integer to a time in master2. And I see you on the next video.